Okay, so how do I go from here? So we have to go back to our Google Translate, and we type, how do I go from here? Please, I need my account back. Help me. So you see, they are trying to close the chat where you are not done. Okay, and we have to go back and copy the same message. So this is the message here. So I will select all again. I'll copy and I'll go back to the chat, and then I'll come back here, paste. Then we have to wait for their further response. Okay, they are giving us the same stuff, so we have to click on this link now, so it will direct us back to a page. So let's see. All right, so these are just the information. So right here we need to, okay, it's open up this page. So I'm going to screenshot this page, and I will have to translate with my WeChat, so we'll know where we go from here. So I'll go back to my WeChat. And I will browse the picture. I'll browse the picture here, so we'll know the right one to click. All right, so it has been fully translated. So the first one here, Taobao Consumer, Tmall, Chat Shop, Cat Shop, Alimama, Rural, Taiwan Province, Regional of Malaysia, contact address, order overseas region, advising order owner consumer, online consultation 247. Okay, now right here, what we need here is that as an overseas, it is advisable that we come down below here and order overseas region, advising order. Okay, so this is going to be the right contact for overseas. So you can see they put in their number there and the time you can call them and discuss the issue with them. Okay, or you can better still talk to them for online consultation. You click here for online consultation. So I'm going to go back to the Taobao page now, and then so you have to be fast. Continue with the chat. So I'll click on here. So you need to make sure that the chat box is not closing until you are able to solve the problem. All right, so this is where we need information. So I will go back to my WeChat. So I'll be sure of clicking the right section. So order overseas region, which is the last one on the list. Okay, the last one on the list is what we are going to follow, which is this one here. So we have to click on here now, online consultation. You know, this is for overseas, and this is the phone number to call. Okay, so I'm going to click here. So this option here, we need to translate this page. Okay, so I'll have to screenshot, then I'll go back to my WeChat and translate. So you can see this one here states account questions. So I will have to go back to Taobao page, and I will have to click on here now, account question. All right, so we can chat them here. So I need, hello, please, I need to speak to customer service and send. So we may be fortunate to connect with an English spokesperson. So you can see English service. So this is because we have been connected to an English service person that can help us. Okay, thanks for contacting Taba Timo. How may I help you? Okay, this is very good. Please, a friend Taba account got frozen. I will be glad if you can help me to unfreeze it, because I have order on transit and I need to continue to purchase on 1688. Okay, so this is going to be more easy right here. So because this is an English spoken person, and so let's wait and hear from him or her. May I know, you mean yes? Yes. So you can go ahead and click on take a picture here to upload the screenshot of whatever you are getting each time you want to log into your 1688 account. Screenshot the page and send it to them. So this will help them more to verify the issue. So this is the screenshot. So I have sent the screenshot. Please, I need to access the account back. Help me out. Okay. May I know, have you placed the order on 1688 or other app? If yes, you may try to contact their related customer service for further processing. I don't have order on the we have two separate departments. I was redirected back here from 1688. Please help me out to unfreeze this account. May I know this account, not 1688? Okay, I will copy the account number that have issue. So this is the Taba account that have issue. So that's what they are trying to ask me. Copy. Then I'll go back here. Paste. This is the account number. Okay, let me check. So let's hear from them. Please hold on. Okay, I'm with you. So you can see his or her response right here. So no problem, provided that my account will be restored, I will be glad. I will have to give them my email and my phone number. It is my pleasure talking to you, and I hope my it should resolved. So you can see it usually takes 1 to 3 working days to solve the problem. Okay, I will be waiting until then. Thank you so much for your assistance. So the relevant department will try to contact you, SMS or call you there. So you are very welcome. We can end the chat because there is nothing again to discuss. So thank you and have a great day. So let me look for an emoji that does not support. Let me give this one, it's not support. Okay. Thank you and have a great day. So bye. So this is just the basic step-by-step process to unfreeze your Tauba account or your 1688 account. If you still have questions for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can see it is a very tough journey. You can also connect with me on my WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.